You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, as you know already, Spice bleach out herself. Well, some people say a bleach and some people say a no bleach. You see me? Some people say a stocking she put on her makeup and all these things. And just from this picture she did do a live, but you can't to see it because she did have on one big black glasses. And she just in a full black and everything, you see me? So people still a speculate, I wonder, is it for real or is it not for real? But Miss Kitty, yeah, Miss Kitty, she go up on a radio program and say, you know what, Spice a tricky crowd. Spice have a mixtape forward out, you see me? Which, yeah, Spice they put that in the post, say she have a mixtape forward named Capture. And me feel like say Spice just do this to capture the people them. So this is what Miss Kitty and well, the lady here represent Miss Kitty program, which everything the lady say, Miss Kitty agree with it. So this is what Miss Kitty think about Spice bleaching. And people, me fi tell her from now, she support the whole movement cause she feel like it's a business move. But see the video here.
WhatsApps. So Tasha, what am I accessing? Tell me they ain't true. I mean, if you know if I know true, but I like your follower. Alright, I don't. Alright, the first thing, Andrika held it up. Hey! Look at this. Birthday girl, come on. I'm wearing our new clothes, new shoes, and you said, I said, is that Spice? She says, yes. I said, okay. And I just kept on typing. Yes. And she said, but Tasha, I'm like, Andrika, that's not real. Yeah. Him come in. You see it? I'm like, guys, it's not real. Simone called. Tasha, is this true? No. You said you had a go-to person. Assistant. And he goes, Tasha, have you seen? I was like, no, it's not true. Yes. Come on, guys. Really? There is no. And logic should kick in and say, in the 2 weeks or 3 weeks period that she has not been on social media, there is no, and I'm not going to say there is no technology, or anything, because we are so advanced. Yes. However, I think her downtime would have had to have been longer. Yes. She would have had to have met up with Little Kim at some point to get her. Michael Jackson family. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Because I'm thinking Little Kim would be the closest. You understand? So I'm thinking. No, she need a link of a big. Yeah. She need a Janet Jackson link. All right, there you go. Yeah. So I had to, I kind of reasoned it out from that. And I said, and then also Andrika did read that, it's a mixtape. I said, okay, there you go. Yeah, so I really didn't have to go far. Yeah. I kept on working. Plus the tattoos were missing. Exactly. Yeah. So the tattoo then, Natasha? No, so essentially I said, looking at it, I was like, all right, maybe she had on a sleeve. Yes. Yeah. Maybe she had on a, one of those cover-ups in terms of what they use in movies. Yes. I use Nutty Professor as one of them, those mask type of that kind of hole. So maybe I think they had it on in Mrs. Doubtfire. You know what I mean? Yes, exactly. So from them time till now. Right. You understand? Yes. People, it's not serious. Tasha, I'm saying, okay, even for movies, the makeup department is a big department. It's a big deal. Makeup and costuming wins Oscars and the works, right? Kitty. Because remember, so to change your face, to make you look older or even younger, or if you're, depending on the movie in which you're starting, for example, let's take X-Men then, right? Yes. Look at Beast in X-Men, okay? Yeah. Nobody that looks so similar. And the people them put on the makeup and the skin and the stuff of them. Yeah, man. And spread on the people there. So they have to peel it on, peel it off, and so forth. So even Tasha, they even show you sometimes, the makeup itself takes even 5 hours, depending on how detailed you want it to be. The scene is, you know what I mean? That's very true. So makeup is real. So there's makeup for what is the name? Yeah. I know foundation. Yeah, and beat your face and beat your brows and oh my God. There are different levels of makeup. Yes. And if they watch Food Network, they know right now because Halloween Wars is on, and which means Halloween Wars when you go into all these costuming and all these. Halloween Wars, Tasha, let's go. Yeah, I'm serious. Food Network, Tasha, let's go. But it is Halloween. You see, turmeric is Halloween is on the 31st. Maybe she's catching it before then. It's just not early. Yes, I'm telling you. Yeah. People need to recognize that, as you said, and you started off the program so right. She's an artist. Yes. which means she's expected to move to the next level at all. So you can't just...
I'm not just your body alone and your vagina and your breast.
If she really did say, guys, I'm dropping my new single today, we really don't care.
True.
People don't... That's how people are.
Yes,
don't
sad
care.
but true.
You understand? Even... And then they'll catch on and just say, oh, you hear Spice song? Wicked.
Just like Dalton. Nobody will catch on to Dalton. From 2010. And 2018, everybody has said Dalton. But Dalton was judges.
Very disappointing.
Me say, but they're father say, what is a Jamaica? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. But Dalton, wow. Dalton, wow. Dalton, they did for good. Everybody was Dalton. Everybody has a Dalton now. But the Dalton, Dalton.
Yeah, exactly.
Dalton's a call from the name of the name Dalton, but it's Dalton.
But that's how we are. And if you follow how Beyonce, they reinvent themselves.
Yes.
And just for her album cover.
Yes.
And even the ones who follow Kim Kardashian, you'd know this is what Kanye would do.
Yeah.
Kanye West would do.
But that's what I'm saying, Taj. Somebody on Instagram mentioned her affiliation with Love and Hip Hop. And I'm saying by being in that circle or being exposed, you now learn about different marketing strategies.
Exactly.
How to use social media to your advantage.
Yeah.
How to actually monetize your followers. How to get them talking. How to get them to move. Because a lot of people will come on your page and then just come for fast or then come to leave a negative comment, but they're not really translating into anything.
It's not translating.
So how do you give them a wow moment?
Exactly.
How do you have the wow effect?
How do you shut down social media?
Yeah, and she shut it down.
Exactly.
I'm like, if I was in that marketing meeting right now, I'd be
popping bottles.
Popping bottles. Popping bottles. Battle.
We did it.
Battle.
High five, Bob. High five, Bob.
By JC Spice, I told ya. You just believed in it. I told ya it was gonna work. You know what I mean? And then some people are of the view, be it good or bad, people are talking about her.
Exactly.
And I'm saying it's funny, Taj, now that maybe if Spice wanna something, or Spice has done so many things,
right?
And I've never really seen it necessarily take off or have this effect.
No, do you? He read a tweet. He read a meme that was out, and he said, "Spice is over." But you said something like Spice says she's outgrown Jamaica and she's outgrown her blackness.
That weird.
Sorry. Calico and your friends.
I'm like, really, guys? We're still here? We're here, right?
You're talking about it and you're tweeting about it.
Yeah.
And I'm quite sure if she had come out normal, in her normal skin,
nobody would pay her.
Yes.
Nobody would. So she now knows, and that's what I love about her. She's always, again,
pushing the envelope,
yes. Reinventing herself. She's always.
But that's what Miss Montajna. Spice is not a secretary. Spice is not an office accountant. Somebody.
Yeah.
Spice is an artist.
Exactly.
This is what artistry.
Lady Gaga did it so many times.
When Lady Gaga
come with her meat.
With the meat, I come with the egg.
Exactly.
No. Them right about now, nobody now watch award show.
No.
When Gaga, them time, when Nicki Minaj come out first, and remember, I'm glued to the TV because I want to see what Gaga's going to wear. Come in and see her coming in a normal frock.
Meet the lady go.
Meet. Like, okay, Gaga.
I'm like,
wow.
That's a bit much. But hey, it got you, got tongues wagging.
Yes.
And that's what Spice just did today. And I'm just really disappointed in all the persons who would have been like, I'm so disappointed in her. I can't believe she's doing this. Oh my
God. They've never said them disappointed in their mother and them father. They've never said a part there. And people always easily disappointed at people. You're not talking about your mother who have 4 and 5 different men. And you never say disappointed in your mother. You don't know your father. And you never say, Mama, you know me disappointed. Why you not tell she? You just disappointed at me. Why you disappointed at me?
Disappointed.
You too like disappointed. Me don't like disappointed.
She's OD.
Yeah.
She's OD.
Your grandma lives away in disappointed as she is. Stop disappointing at people. You're too easy to disappoint. Everything is disappoint. I'll lose off for you. Lose off for your mother too, man. Yeah, man. Whenever I come on a parent teacher me, it's too disappoint.
So me, Calico, don't soften the blow. Say no. Are you crazy? The lady don't change her color. This is just a stunt.
I'm saying
for people like y'all.
Exactly. So said the man with the eye.
Children have common sense.
No. We don't like reading.
This is not that common.
We don't like reading.
Why? But it stressed me out. Because me think this was so ingenious. I'm thinking creative. I'm thinking I never knew that there was gonna be negative backlash and disgrace. I'm flabbergasted. Like I'm just like all them spies. Captured. And I say yes, spies for commission of cash capture. And everybody I tweet, everybody's active. You know what I mean?
We are so gullible.
And I'm just like, you know what? If we paid this much attention to our children, to our economy, to our own business, we would be unstoppable as a people.
Yep.
The more I tweet this, get the more I talking this. See, they talk about it. The spies will take over my show. The spies will take over my money. I'll quote get put on. One adjourn. Spice, that's where they have a camera. Well, tomorrow, guys, we're going to delve a little deeper beneath the skin. Beneath the surface. We're digging
below the epidermis.
Below the epidermis. We're digging deep into the melanin.
The melanin.
So make sure that you tune in. Give me my time that I see I wrap your pinito. See I wrap with them and neatly. They may start sitting and cheering. Well, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed my show today. Happy birthday to Angelica. And again, we hope that she lives to see many, many, many.
Yes, people, so that was what Miss Kitty and her team has to say. So let me know what you're thinking in the comment section, and thanks for watching. If it's the first time you're watching a video from me, just hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're going to be the first to know. And remember, hit that like button as well. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and you can follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's I am DJ CHADDY. I'm out.